In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit system and updates. Select simple mode here and use enable button to activate it. After clicking on it, wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, click on settings. Select exit simple mode at the bottom in the middle and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!